this is the one that I was doing. Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the channel once again. Today, as I guys told you, I am all like, wearing jacket and everything because I'm going to take vaccine today. Let's see how it goes. I don't know whether it's going to be Pfizer or Moderna or what, but yeah, I got the appointment today, so I thought that it's on priority. I should be going and taking the appointment. So that's where I'm heading. I'm going to meet you guys in some time, but let me show you this. It's April here in Boston, ideally spring, but just see outside. Can you guys see? It's snowing heavily since I think past 5 hours. And if you can see the cars there, they are snow covered. Yes, that's Boston for you. That's April in Boston for you. It was completely unexpected. 2 days ago, the temperatures were 18 degrees Celsius, 19 degrees Celsius, bright and sunny. It was hot, and this is the case today. Okay, so let me go and take vaccine and then get back to all of you guys. I took the vaccine. I came home. I had some work. I had lunch. And trust me, I'm feeling okay. Only the left arm is a little bit like, you feel that, you've got a vaccine. So and you can see my eyes. So after finishing up the work, I slept for good 3 hours. And it's right now 7:30, so I have slept for good hours. I just hope that I get sleep at night. I think last night also it was quite late, and I woke up early in the morning, and then with all the work and getting the vaccine, coming back home, and the left arm, like I usually sleep on my left arm, so I was not able to sleep on the left arm, but it's okay. Like it's a very slight tinge that that you are getting here, that okay, you have got the vaccine. My eyes are full swollen because I've slept a lot, and I wanted to have some comfort food, good food, and it turned out to be junk food. So I'm eating these crinkled fries. It's almost over. And I'm having this chocolate shake, which is not at all cold. So I kept it so that, it comes to normal temperature, because I didn't want to have something which worsens or elevates if I've taken vaccine. Just a thought. So it's like at normal, very, very normal temperature. So just a kind of day where you want to have junk food, and it's completely okay, for all the people who are listening to me. I eat veggies all the time. I take care that I'm having good amounts of proteins for that matter. I do work out, I do walk. So some days if you feel like it's completely okay. I just wanted to have French fries and a good chocolate shake. So that's what I'm having right now. I plan to actually jot down everything. It's a Friday night again. Jot down all the things which I have to complete, and since there is only 2 weeks left for the semester to get done, so I have a lot of things on my plate from my academic side as well as on the work side, and so I would want to jot down everything, plan in advance what I'm going to do when. You guys must have seen that with Instagram reels there are a lot of trends going on, this challenge, that challenge, motivational quotes, 20 photos, 2 videos, and this song challenge, that song challenge. I find it quite inquisitive, so I usually when I am doing Instagram reels, I do it by myself. And I was talking to one of the editors back in India, and he was telling me that how all of those reels, all the famous reels that you see, how they are actually edited. So he was actually talking to me about some of the famous renowned actors and influencers and all of that, and how they actually give reels also for proper editing. I usually do it on my phone. I would want to show you guys that recently what I did, but trust me, when you start doing actually reels, and you have to adjust all the photos and videos according to trend, and put something up, it is time consuming. So trust me, hats off to all the people who invest so much time and all the reels that go. So if I am not doing anything, sitting, so starting from like, say 10 minutes to 15 minutes, that's like, still on the lower limit when you don't have to use your brains, just put in some videos and add some music. That would take you like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But if you really have to do some good music, that takes somewhere around good reel, that takes somewhere around 30 minutes, and it is time consuming. So trust me, hats off. So this is the one that I was doing. Okay, so yeah, I'll just shut this off. So yeah, so in fact it took me like a lot of time, like, because you have to adjust the music. Where the music drops, you have to put in a video, and then, supported by and the music is like just 8 seconds, 10 seconds, and all of that. But good job all the people. I realized that, initially I used to do it, I have like done a lot of reels, but yeah, I do it for fun, but it is time consuming. So good job, guys. So I did not get time to shoot a lot of things today, and my hair is also become messy because I had vaccine, and this arm is like, when I'm picking something up, it feels a tinge, like, if I am holding something like really heavy. And it's 1 a.m. right now, and what I'm doing is I'm having Maggie and Netflixing and chill. So that's my Friday night plan. So probably this weekend I have planned to stay at home and do my thing. So I was just doing some personal work, some important things that I had in mind, which I had to complete for the next 2 weeks. So I did all of that. Right now having Maggie, Netflixing. I think I'll watch it for like another hour and then doze off to sleep. I almost slept for like 3 hours in the evening, but with the vaccine I just want to don't do anything that elevates the pain, so I'm just going to doze off, eat it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Nothing much. I did not get time to shoot like a lot of things today, so bear with me. And if you guys are enjoying the vlog, do ensure that you hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any feedback, please drop in comments there. This is Aishwarya signing off. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye bye.